Could local communities be the key to conserving Southeast Asia's remaining rainforests? Thailand's forests have decreased dramatically during the last 30 years, despite logging bans. But a growing number of Thai villages have claimed their ability to manage forest land within the community. Community forest management has been practiced here for hundreds of years by local people and represents an important aspect of Thai culture. Observing sinking water levels and the drying of small streams, village elders realised the need to preserve their forests for the villagers and their children. Now, more than 8,000 community forests are used all over Thailand, protected and managed by local villages, some over several generations. Those now involved seek to plant a wide assortment of tree seedlings on public lands to aid regeneration, or protect degraded natural forests from forest fires and overexploitation. Biodiversity is created and even enriched. Pollution is reduced by minimising the dependence on agrochemicals. Soil and water quality is enhanced. And the benefits for the villagers themselves are noticeable. Community forestry boosts self-sufficiency in the face of an increased corporate presence, at a time when mechanised agriculture is tearing the forests apart. The concept offers balance between society's increasing demands and the preservation of ecological diversity, a balance that is critical to the survival of the forests and to the prosperity of these forest-dependent communities.